Hi everybody. Today we are going to learn how to stop app badges from tricking your brain into opening them. First, open the Settings app on your Android device. Scroll down through the Settings list and tap directly on the menu entry labeled Notifications. Scroll through the Notification Settings submenu until you find the option labeled Notification.On app icon. Tap the toggle switch next to Notification.On app icon to turn it off completely across the entire operating system framework. Alternatively, if you only want to silence specific high-trigger apps, go back to the main settings menu and tap on Apps. Tap on See All Apps. Select the specific social media or messaging application that constantly hooks your attention and tap on Notifications. Scroll to the bottom of that specific application's notification properties layout and toggle off the switch labeled Allow Notification. The operating system framework will instantly apply the visual restriction rule, removing those bright, urgent red or blue dots from sitting on top of your home screen icons. Removing these subtle behavioral hooks clears away the subconscious pressure to clear the notification, effectively breaking the dopamine loop that tricks your brain into mindlessly opening the app. And that's it. I hope it helps you on your current and future project. Thank you for watching.